In this video we will explore these basic commands. So here I am on my terminal and countries is my present working directory. So what we'll do is we'll create some directories here. Let's say we'll create in India and we'll create a place called Shanghai, which is not there in India, but still we'll create that. We need to use -p as an option because we don't have India directory in this countries, and we'll create mkdir China. Okay, clear. We have India and China, so Shanghai is part of China, not India, so we can use mv here, move India, Shanghai, right, to China, right. So now if you see, if I go to cd India, if I say ls, I'm not getting anything, right. If I go back here and ls cd China Shanghai, see, I'm getting here. So currently I'm in Shanghai. Now we'll come back to countries. Okay, so this is a move command, mv command. We can use mv to rename directory or file also. For example, we'll create some directory called mkdir. We'll say coffee. Okay, I'll just misspell it. Okay, and here we have coffee, and what we can do is we can rename this one mv coffee to coffee. I hope this spelling is correct. Okay, so if we see now, this has been renamed to this new name. Okay, so we can use mv to rename the file or directory also, and cp is to copy from one location to another location. Now we can copy this coffee to India and China also. For example, I'll say copy coffee to India. Okay, so we need to use, since it is a directory, we need to use r flag, this recursive, so that if there anything within this directory, it will copy everything. Okay, and we can use copy to coffee to China. So let's transport this to China also. Now if I go to cd India and I'll search for coffee here, here we are, we have the coffee also, right. And rm command is used to remove files or directories. For example, cd countries. Now ls, what we can do is, if we want to remove this coffee, rm coffee, right. Again, we cannot remove because it is a directory, so what we have to do is rm -r coffee. Okay, so whenever we have a directory, we need to use r. It loops through each and every subdirectories and files uh, for doing this cleanup. Okay, so that is rm and rf. We can use the same commands to at the file level also. Currently I'm showing only to the directories here, but we can use the same command to move, copy and rename or remove the files also. Now what we'll do is we'll use the cat command. First what we'll do is we'll create a file using touch command. Let's say touch first dot txt file. Okay, so if we see, we have this first here. Now what we can do is we can write content using this same command. uh, Currently if I see cat first.txt, we are not getting anything because we have not written anything. So we can use this cat, this angular bracket and first, and right here. Okay, I said this directory contains list of countries. Okay, I'll say we need to press Control D here. Okay, now I'll say ls cat first dot txt, right? So this is the content we are seeing now. Now ls will list all the items present in this directory, and ls minus hyphen l will give us the more details, like when was it modified, like what are its permissions, okay, whether it is directory or file. So here this is the directory, here we are seeing this D, and this is a file because this is hyphen over here. So whenever you see prefix this as D, that means directory, and if you don't see the D and if you see hyphen, that means that is a file. Okay, and ls hyphen a gives the list of hidden files also. So currently we don't have any hidden files in this directory. So whenever you see any file, directory with one dot in the beginning, that means that is a hidden file or directory. Okay, so currently so we don't have. So this one dot is always the current, represent to the current directory, and two double dash represent to the one back directory. For example, if I say cd dot, that means cd change to the current directory, so we are in countries only, so it's not moving anywhere. So if I say cd dot dot, that means I'm back in the home directory. So here if I say ls hyphen a, here if you see I'm getting this dot kd dot cube dot java. So these are all the hidden directories are present in this uh, home directory. Okay, now I'll go to countries again. We'll see ls hyphen lt. ls hyphen lt will give us the details from from the date of creation, like this file is the one which is created latest for 43, and these are two created before these first file, China and India. Now if we want to reverse this or this structure, we can say ls hyphen ltr. You see we have reverted this order, right? So that's it for this video. We have explored these basic commands. In coming videos we'll again come up with some more commands and topics of present in the Linux. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.